You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today?
A very interesting word from French, royale. Yes, that's why the spelling is a bit confusing, but it's actually easy to pronounce once you know. Royale. Alright, so let's break it down. You got a raw sound, a very short E sound, and then al. Royale. In one word, royale, royale.
Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.